Good morning, Miss Sue Victoria, the CEO and my manager here at Breeze Applications. The purpose of this meeting today is so that we can sit here and discuss and have a look at a few things. I need to confirm with you that all the documents and the templates, the workbooks that I've created for this company are in accordance with the specified requirements of Breeze Applications. So today we were going to discuss the development, the way I have developed these templates and the workbooks and how these spreadsheets will work for us as Breeze Applications. So just a bit about why we're doing this. So Breeze Applications has 3 branches across Australia. We have one here in Sydney, one in Melbourne and one in Brisbane. Each quarter we calculate the sales commissions that each salesperson in each state or city makes. For example, we'll have Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. So that all of this data that we input into each sales sheet is then fed off to head office. So head office is then to analyse this information on the spreadsheets. So what we want is each city to be able to input the information. That information is then filtered through to the head office, and then head office can do an analysis of all 3 cities or branches. Okay, so when I just started designing these templates or the spreadsheets, I took into consideration the company's colours. So we've used the red, the blue and the green. I've kept with the company's style of writing, which was the Calibri and a size 12. Within each document, we've got the headers. We also have footers. We have the dates. I've just tried to keep consistency throughout each template so that everything's the same. There's a level of consistency. I've also made sure that each column is wide enough for the information to be read clearly. So let's discuss 2 very important informations. The first thing is the macro function. So you say, what is the macro?
What is the macro function?
Okay, so the macro function is simply this print button. Now I've created this print button so that all you need to do is press print. You don't need to go file, find, print. It's just simply print this. So to be able to create this button, first we input a button into here, which is just clicking on here and then creating the button, writing the name or what you want to call it. So simply to create a print function is developer, macros here. Once we start recording with a macro, so we simply press this. Once you've pressed record, every movement that you make within here is recorded. So you go file, print.
How interesting.
Yes. So that is the file macro print function.
And you just pressed exit then?
Yes, I did, but I'm opening up another one. I've got something else to show you as well, ma'am. So the next thing I wanted to discuss with you was the purpose of the PMT function. So the purpose of the PMT function is simple. It calculates the periodical payments which is a consistent over a specific period.
That's a great idea.
So that function for us is worked as this. Each quarter, so every 3 months, if a staff member makes more than or equal to 12% of the total commission target, that salesperson receives a $1,200 bonus on top of their salary. So again, that is making equal to or more than 12% of the commission target. So that's kind of summarises what the PMT function is. Now when we talk about another function that we use within Excel is called the SUMIF, as I like to call it, the SUMIF function. So the SUMIF function is another very simple Excel function that is designed within the Excel spreadsheet. You simply have all of these boxes. So if we take one box, but we want to calculate all of those boxes together, all we need to do is go B B5
Mm-hmm.
columns, so the dot dot,
Yes.
to B12.
Okay.
So by combining B5 dot dot B12, it will calculate anything that is between those all the way through. So that's how we get the sum if function.
That's very convenient.
Yes, that is. So I would like to ask you, Sue, is there any additional feedback that you can give to make this process of creation and for the company more valuable?
No, I think that's just great what you have.
Again, I'll just quickly run over what we've just discussed today of just creating these simple spreadsheets that will be distributed to all of our cities, so Sydney, Melbourne and Perth, so that all their sales information from each city can be put into this, and this information then will be fed through to head office. The reason we're doing this is just to make it easier for our company to evaluate the sales information that we are getting. So thank you for your time today, Sue. It's been great to see you.
Thank you, Jodie.